If your data set is messy like this, with mixed cases, with uppercase and lowercase in one word, that's an easy and a simple way to solve this. The first one will be to use proper. Proper will make the first letter of your word into uppercase and the rest into lowercase. To use proper, just use the word equal and type the word proper, open parenthesis, and the cell where the text is. Then you select it, close parenthesis. So you can apply by double clicking on this square box here, but you can see that there's a couple of white spaces here in the front. To resolve those, you go here and you nest the function called trim in there like that, and you can apply again with double clicking this square box here, and it applies right across. You notice how the white spaces in between the text are also eliminated, and also the front, of course, and there's a couple of them with white spaces at the back. They are all got eliminated. And you also notice that all the punctuations is also preserved and the comma is preserved. It could be in between or could be the front. The other case that I want to talk about will be upper. Upper will make everything into uppercase. To use upper, you use the word or the character equal and type the word upper, open parenthesis and the cell that you want to do. And if you hit apply again, you can see the white spaces are not respected for. So again, you use the word trim in here. You nest the trim inside the upper, open and close parenthesis, and you apply everything, the rest of them. To make everything into lowercase is equal lower, open parenthesis, select the cell where the text is, and hit enter, and everything goes lowercase, and you hit apply everything by clicking on the square box here. Again, to get rid of the white spaces, you nest the word trim in it, and then apply all the cells by clicking on this box here, double click on it.